my YouTube channel. I want to teach you how to place a trade on this platform. So if this is your first time of watching, please click on our YouTube channel, so whenever we upload video, you will be getting updates on it. All right, so if you want to trade, it's just as simple as that. The first thing is to click on trade. Click on this trade. It will take you to the platform where to trade. Now I want you to know that a currency has been given by the Spark team and lead analysts that this is what you are trading on. So what we are trading on today is EUC. I repeat, EUC. Until that currency is mentioned, please don't trade yet. We are trading on EUC. So let me show you that EUC so that we can trade on it. Now to get there, you must click on this place. You must click on there. Check the arrow. You click on there. So I click on it. Then I will come to EUC, which is this. Here is it. Okay, so no, sorry, rather let me correct that is not it. Okay, here is the EUC, rather here is the EUC. So this is the EUC. All right, that is the EUC. This is the EUC. You see it, EUC. So you click on it. When you click on EUC, see here now has changed to EUC. So you cannot trade. You cannot trade. It's no more on BTC. So it's on EUC. So you can trade here. And remember, the time for trading is the time is given, which today's time is 8:30 and the selling time is 8:45. So when it's like this, you come to this place. See this down place, the road by this place here, this place. You come and click buy. When you click buy, then it takes you here. Now everything you put here, see, I'm having 524.19290. Now you're only going to take the first 4 digits and put here. Now if your own doesn't have points, for instance, it's just at let's say 80 points, 80, you leave it 80. And if your available balance is 80.2, you leave it at what? 80.2. Did you get? Then you click buy. When you click buy, you click on this buy. See the buy here. You click on this buy here. You click here. Now when you click on buy, then you start buying. Okay, so when it is sell, the same procedure, you come to this place. Make sure that it's on EUC/USDT, which is the currency we are using today. Then you will click on sell. Beside this buy, you see sell, SELL. You see it, you click on sell. Now when you click on sell, the amount at this place, this available place, is what you will put. The same thing like the way you put it in buy, the amount here, that is what you will put. You see it, you will now put it on this place of amount. You put it here. So when you put it here, you click sell. When you click sell, it automatically go. You click this sell. You see sell here. You click sell here. When you click sell, it automatically connects, and that is all. You go to your USDT and check your balance. So that is how to trade, effective way to trade. Please, if you have any question, you can drop on the comment section, or if you're already in my group, you can ask question in the group chat. Thanks.